welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This reading is for Cancerians for the year 2022, January month. It's a monthly reading. I hope it resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This is a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. Okay, let's see. January month will be a bit of confusion for your Cancerians. Okay, so January month will be a bit of confusion for you Cancerians. You will be juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. At the same time, you will be analyzing a lot of things about yourself, about the people around you, about the situation around you. Who are the true people, who are really matters, and who are positive negative people around you. So you are going in a phase of self introspection about the people around you. They are true to you or not, or they are sneaking or not. Okay, also one more thing guys, you are being very receptive towards the situation. Okay, being in the month of January, you'll be a person where you'll say that okay, if things are coming towards you, let's accept it with open hearts, which is very good. So you will be in a mode of receptivity and self-analyzation mode. You will also be going through a lot of perspective changes about the people around you, about the situation around you, either in your career life or in your relationship. Okay. Okay. uh Okay, so in the month of January, Cancerians, you are waiting for something to end and something to start. Okay, but a situation is not ending, a relationship is not ending, or a problematic situation is not ending. But yeah, you're waiting for something to end and something new to start, which is not happening, guys. Okay, and it's taking a lot of time. You will be staying away from sneaky energy, manipulative energy, and I can also see that you will be very much stressed out with the situation around you. Okay, like a lot of stress will be there related to a situation. Staying away from manipulative people, negative people, and sneaky energies. Okay, which is very good. But yeah, you are wishing and hoping for something to end in January and something new to start. Maybe a karmic pattern should be ending, maybe a relationship should be ending, maybe a situation, bad situation you are facing should be ending, which is not happening right now, guys. Okay, at least in the not in the month of January. Okay, but new beginning is on the horizon in the upcoming new few months. Okay, you are guarding yourself up, you are waiting your guards up, you are not socializing, you will be into your own introspection, you will not be talking to much people, you have created a wall around you where no one can enter into that wall, and no one, and you also cannot go outside that wall. Okay, that's the situation I'm getting through, which is very good. I can also see that in your love situation, you want to free yourself from certain situations in life. Like it's time to take back control of your life. So you are at a point where you need to free yourself from the situation you are in right now. You need to take power take your power back into your situation. Okay, I can also see that you're healing family issues, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. So yeah, if you forgive your parents, your love life will be really good, Cancerians. Okay, I can see that. I can also see that there is a deceptive energy. Someone is wearing a false self mask in a relationship. So there is a person who is being very deceptive into a situation, and you are being very deceptive into a relationship, or someone else or your partner was very deceptive into a relationship, and that's why you know that who are those people. Not necessary it should be spouse, it might be a lover, it might be a third person, it might be a people who family member, it can be. So someone is deceptive in a relationship, okay, it can be family members as well, okay. So yes, Cancerians, what are the universal message for the month of, let's take out one random card for the month of January. Let's see. I'll let go of the shadow of the past by seeing someone for the first time with the eyes of love. No matter what you do, but you cannot pretend that you are, always bad. Sometimes you forgive people as well. So try to forgive other people as well. Hope is the conduit for miracles. So you should always be hopeful because miracles are on the way. The third one is when I think I have surrender, I surrender more. Wow. So you have to surrender to the universe, guys, okay. Kindly, if you like the reading, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Wishing you all a very happy prosperous new year, guys. Bye bye, take care.